If you're a student seeking sleek, modern, and elegant living all at once, then 443 Graham Avenue in New York is just what you need. Your stunning new non-ensuite apartment offers you a cozy bed with soft sheets and cloud-like pillows for restful nights, the perfect study zone to power through projects, and a roomy closet to keep your outfits neatly organized for everyday ease. Stay comfy year-round with in-unit air conditioning. Stream and study with high-speed Wi-Fi. Enjoy weekly housekeeping. Skip laundromat runs with on-site laundry. And stargaze from the rooftop. All included in your rent for a convenient stay. And here's the best part. Pratt Institute and CUNY Hunter College are only minutes away, so you can feel free to snooze your alarm a couple of times. Also, the Driggs Avenue bus stop and the subway at Graham Avenue are just down the road, so you can enjoy your Big Apple explorations after college. So, book your home at 443 Graham Avenue in New York today via amberstudent.com.